What's going on YouTube? It's ZDB Shoes here, and today I'm going to be doing a video that's kind of out of the ordinary of what I usually do. Today is going to be an unboxing, but it's going to be a brand that is not hype beast brand or anything like that. So this is Full Send brand by NELK, and if you don't know who NELK is, it is a group of people who are on YouTube, and they basically got their start by going around and doing crazy stunts and crazy pranks on people. Now they do more of that, but they also travel around the world just doing crazy stuff and partying and stuff like that. And they also have a fashion and accessory brand basically, where they release things that say Full Send and NELK Boys and other things like that. So without much more of an introduction, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so here's the box. It's kind of a weird dimension for things that I ordered, which I will not give away until I open them. But you can see it's like really long and skinny. But anyway, let's go ahead and just dive into it. So this first thing is by far one of the coolest items I saw on their October drop. So like I forgot to mention earlier, this is from their October drop and it is a duffel bag. So let's go ahead and rip this plastic off here. Wow, this is really nice. So this is basically just a leather duffel bag that says Full Send all over it. And it really has the Supreme vibes, or not even Supreme, just a lot of things that have come out recently kind of have this design, the lettering on the straps, as well as just the branding all over. So you have Full Send on this side, Full Send on that side, and then like I said, all along the straps. Really nice quality leather. I can smell that leather. It looks to be pretty big. So I don't know how well you guys can see in there, but it's a really nice size and really good for the airport. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can get a good view. I really like this thing. It seems to be really sturdy and you can use the over the shoulder strap if you want to carry it over the shoulder. So two different ways to use the bag. It's a really nice red. It really reminds me of Supreme and a lot of other brands today. And I believe I got this for around $100. I can't remember how much it cost on their drop, but this is really nice, really quality piece. And I initially bought it with the intention of reselling, but I haven't really been following the resale on this. And I honestly like it so much after seeing it that I'm probably gonna keep it. But anyway, that's the first item. So the second item is going to be very similar, but it's just the Full Send fanny pack. So this is made of, feels like a canvasy material, but it feels really soft and really nice. And again, just the Full Send lettering on the front, and the straps also say Full Send. And you've got a really nice strap that you could just put around your waist and carry whatever you need in there. It also double as, and you could also fashion this as a shoulder bag if you want. I know it's on backwards right now, if you guys can see it. If I could get the straps right, I'd have more room. You could also do a shoulder bag kind of thing, or a shoulder strap. But I've seen a lot of people in NELK actually just use it as a fanny pack, which is what it came in the bag as, and I feel like that would be a lot more comfortable. So that's probably how I'm gonna use it. Much swagged out with the red and white styling from Full Send. Like I said, really reminds me of Supreme, but I like this because it is NELK's product, and I really think they're a funny group of guys. I watch their video every week. If you haven't checked out their channel, you definitely should, because they're really funny. But anyway guys, that pretty much wraps it up. I kind of just wanted to do a more low-key brand unboxing. I know that Full Send and NELK, they're definitely not low key, but their brand is obviously not as popular as Supreme or Vape or some of these other things that I've been unboxing. So I figured this would be a nice change of pace from the normal things that I unbox, and I hope more people will try to buy this merch. I know it's already very popular and it sells out within minutes of dropping. I was lucky to be able to actually even get those 2 items that I did because I think they were some of the most popular ones. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much going to conclude the video. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment on the video and tell me if you've seen NELK or not. Tell me if you like the products, and subscribe, guys, because I'll be doing more stuff like this soon. All right, peace.